BMW's iDrive system is the central hub for your vehicle's infotainment and controls. However, many BMW owners experience a frustrating issue where the iDrive system gets stuck in a continuous reboot loop. When this reboot loop occurs, your iDrive system continuously restarts itself, making essential features like navigation, radio, and telephone completely unusable. This issue affects a wide range of BMW models and iDrive generations, from the original 2002 E65 7 Series all the way to the latest G Series vehicles. The root causes of this reboot loop are typically software-related. The three main culprits are software glitches, data processing overload, and corrupted software files. The good news is that this issue is often fixable without expensive hardware replacements. Most cases can be resolved through software solutions rather than replacing the entire iDrive unit. Understanding this issue is the first step toward getting your BMW's iDrive system back to full functionality. In the next section, we'll explore the specific troubleshooting steps and solutions. When your BMW iDrive system gets stuck in a reboot loop, there are several troubleshooting methods you can try, starting with the simplest approaches first. The first method to try is a soft reset. Turn off your engine completely, lock all the doors, and wait 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the car's systems to fully power down and reset themselves. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Locate the volume or power button on your iDrive system and hold it down for 30 seconds until the screen goes black. Some systems may require holding it for up to 70 seconds until the iDrive restarts twice. Another approach is to delete personal data from the iDrive system. Data corruption can cause the reboot loop, so quickly accessing the settings and clearing stored personal information may resolve the issue. The most effective solution is a software update or reflash. This process rewrites corrupted software files with the latest updates and can be performed at a BMW dealership or through remote coding services. When performing software updates, it's crucial to maintain stable voltage using a battery maintainer or support unit. This prevents damage to the radio unit during the update process and ensures the procedure completes successfully. These software-focused solutions are becoming increasingly common and cost-effective compared to replacing the entire head unit. Start with the simple methods and progress to software updates if needed. Most iDrive reboot loops can be resolved without expensive hardware replacement.